Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was on a two-day visit to Japan a short while before he reached Tokyo to participate in the 15th India-Japan Annual Summit with his Japanese counterpart Shigeru Ishiba. Now, viewers, this marks yet another crucial chapter in India's diplomatic outreach in the Indo-Pacific. Visuals on your screen showing you the warm welcome Prime Minister Modi received by Indian diaspora and also Japanese artists here.
Swagatam. Balihari Jamore, Bari Jamore, Balihari Jamore, Mare Satguru Angane Ayare Mewari Jamore. Japan leke Swagatam.
So as you can see, Prime Minister clearly kicked off Japan's visit on a very high note. Members of Indian diaspora and artists from Japan enthusiastically greeted the Prime Minister when he reached the capital city.
It was so great chance to perform for Modi. I am very happy. I did Mohiniyattam, South India classical dance form, Mohiniyattam. I did.
मैं बनारस में पंडित लक्ष्मी महाराज जी से सीखे वो प्रैक्टिस तो 1 महीने 2 महीने से शुरू किए हैं खुशी भी हैं और तो राजी भी हैं इतने दुनिया के सबसे बड़े लीडर हैं
This is the first time to be with him so close. Yeah, this is like a big flower for us, big gold medal for us. Yes, it's special feeling for us.
बहुत उत्साहित हैं सब हम सारे और ये मोदी जी के आने का एक उत्सव होता है इधर इंडियन डायस्पोरा में तो मैं यहाँ से 26 साल से हूँ और पिछले 8 बार मोदी जी आ चुके हैं
भारत के शेर आए भारत की बेटी ने भी उनका परचम लगाया हुआ है भारत के शेर विद भारत के फ्लैग के साथ जापान में मोदी जी इस बार 8वीं बार आए हैं मैं उनसे 3 बार मिली ये तीसरी बार है हिरोशिमा में जब वो आए थे और गांधी जी का उन्होंने उद्घाटन किया था तब भी मिली थी हमेशा उनसे मिलने का उत्साह जो है बढ़ते ही जाता है
मुझे मोदी जी से मिलने का पहली बार मौका मिला आई वाज सुपर एक्साइटेड टू मीट हिम द वे द कंट्री इज ग्रोइंग हिज पॉलिसीज एवरीथिंग द पीपल लाइक अस द 10 years back who have lost the interest in the politics have regained that interest and now we are watching we are just sticking to our television and his new policies and everything and the way he has come here to meet each and every one of us. We really appreciate and we're really thankful to him and all over his team.
So viewers, this is essentially what happens when Prime Minister goes abroad, engages with Indian diaspora. It certainly becomes a political rock concert and this is what we witnessed in fact in Japan as well. Now viewers, this Japan visit comes amid intense India-US relations over President Donald Trump's policies on trade and tariffs. And in this visit, we're going to see that Prime Minister Modi is going to hold talks with his Japanese counterparts. They're going to take place on the first day of his trip. And they are expected to see Japan pledging double its investment target in India. In fact, the two sides are also likely to unveil a raft of agreements to expand cooperation in several areas, including trade, investment, defense, science, as well as technology. Later, Prime Minister Modi will also meet Japanese industrialists and political leaders in the capital city. Now, when we talk about what his schedule is going to look like on the second day of this visit. Then Prime Minister Modi and Ishiba, they're both likely to travel to Sendai city. And this is a city that's famous for its semiconductor facility. And they're going to traveling through a high-speed train, in fact, to that city. And in the second leg of the visit, Prime Minister Modi will also travel to Chinese city of Tianjin. This is to attend the annual summit of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Remember, the Chinese visit will take place on 2 days, that's August 31st and September 1st.